So here in the Western Slope, when I'm trying to make a forecast, a couple terms get thrown around a lot. One of them is precipitable water, or PWAT. Now, what does that mean, and how does that influence how much rainfall we may or may not get?
Let's use this big guy behind me as an example. If you had a column of air going up from the surface to whatever height you choose, there's not just water in those clouds behind you. No, it's water vapor is in the air, and whether you can see it or not. So let's say you took that column of air, you took all the water out of it, squeezed it like a sponge. How much water would you have after moving all that water from the air? That's what precipitable water is. Just like squeezing a sponge, getting that water out and seeing how much you actually have in inches.